Let's do some cooking.
Let's make something out of nothing. Today we got a roasted red pepper, shrimp, and sausage pasta. Unfortunately, I got COVID, but I'm tired of eating soup, so I'm going to show you how I made this quarantine meal. To your shrimp, add in garlic powder, throw in some smoked paprika, a little bit of dried oregano, some onion powder, some red pepper flakes, and a dash of salt. Cook those shrimp in a pan with some oil for a few minutes until they start to smell good. They should come out looking like this. Then throw your sausage in the same pan and just brown those up. To some melted butter, add about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Then throw in your roasted red peppers. Add in some heavy cream. Take the same seasoning from the shrimp and add that in there as well. Once the sauce thickens, add in fresh Parmesan. Throw in the pasta of your choice. Make it look fancy. You know we got the sauce pour. All right, y'all.
Off the bone. Salt, garlic powder, paprika, onion, chili powder, cumin, holy love pepper, brown sugar. Repeat this process on both sides and bake for 2 hours. Now we're gonna add that barbecue sauce. Broil for 4 minutes. They just